Verbs followed by gerunds.
Listen and repeat.
He acknowledges making a mistake.
She admitted breaking the vase.
The doctor advised taking the medicine regularly.
They allow smoking in the building.
I anticipate meeting new people at the conference.
I appreciate your helping me with the project.
He tries to avoid making mistakes.
We will celebrate finishing the project.
He confessed stealing the money.
He considers moving to a new city.
The lawyer will defend, proving her client's innocence.
She decided to delay making a decision until next week.
I detest waking up early. We need to discuss changing the schedule.
She dislikes cooking dinner every night.
They dispute claiming ownership of the land.
I dread going to the dentist. She enjoys reading books in her free time.
He managed to escape being caught by the police.
He tried to evade answering the question.
Can you explain solving this math problem?
Do you fancy going out for dinner tonight?
He fears making a mistake during his presentation. He feigned being sick to avoid going to work.
She finished writing her thesis last night.
Please forgive me for being late. She keeps studying late into the night.
He mentioned seeing you at the event.
Do you mind opening the window?
She misses hanging out with her friends. He omitted mentioning the problem in his report.
They do not permit smoking inside the building. He had to postpone meeting until next week.
She practices playing the piano every day.
The heavy rain prevented us from going hiking. I recall meeting her at the conference. They recommend trying the new restaurant.
She reported seeing the suspect near the scene.
He resents being treated unfairly.
She couldn't resist eating the chocolate cake.
They will resume working on the project next week.
He risks losing his job if he keeps being late to work. I suggest taking a break and relaxing.
We support continuing the current policy.
She can't tolerate being in a messy environment.
I understand wanting to be alone sometimes.
She urges following the safety guidelines.
His actions warrant taking immediate action.